Yo, what's up everyone? It's Family Video. AI is everywhere these days. So today we're diving deep into the world of AI websites. We're talking about the heavy hitters, the ones that are actually useful, not just hype. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get right into it. First up, we've got ChatGPT, and let me tell you, this thing is wild. Imagine having a conversation with a supercomputer that can answer your questions, write stories, translate languages, and even code for you. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell. ChatGPT is different because it actually understands the context of your questions and requests. Need help writing a blog post? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas and even write different sections for you. Stuck on a coding problem? ChatGPT can generate code snippets and explain the logic behind them. This is just the beginning. Okay, let's talk productivity. Notion AI is here to help you do just that by integrating directly into Notion, already an incredibly powerful productivity tool. We're talking note-taking, task management, databases, you name it. Notion AI can help you brainstorm ideas, write faster, and even summarize lengthy documents. Imagine you're working on a big project and you're feeling stuck. Just ask Notion AI to generate some ideas for you, or let's say you have a ton of meeting notes to go through. Notion AI can summarize the key points for you in seconds. It's like having a personal assistant that's always there to help you stay organized and on top of your game. Alright, let's be real, writing isn't everyone's cup of tea. But whether you're crafting an important email or writing a blog post, Grammarly is your secret weapon. It catches typos and grammatical errors and helps improve your writing style, clarity, and tone. Imagine writing an email to a potential client. Grammarly makes your tone more professional and persuasive. It's like having a writing coach in your pocket, and it works seamlessly with all your favorite apps and websites. Okay, let's talk design. Canva has been a game changer for creating stunning graphics, even if you have zero design skills. But now, with the power of AI, Canva is taking things to a whole new level. We're talking about AI-powered tools that can remove backgrounds from images, generate color palettes, and even create entire designs based on your prompts. Just tell Canva what you want to promote, and it'll generate a bunch of different design options for you to choose from. And with the AI-powered features, it's like having a personal designer on call 24/7. Ever wished you could just describe an image and have it magically appear? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because that's exactly what DALL-E does. This AI-powered website can generate incredibly realistic and creative images from text prompts. Just type in a description of what you want to see, like a cat wearing a top hat riding a unicorn on the moon, and DALL-E will generate multiple image options based on your prompt. It's like having a personal illustrator at your fingertips, except this illustrator is powered by artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where anyone can create stunning visuals with just their imagination. That's the power of DALL-E. Alright, video editors, this one's for you. Runway ML is an AI-powered platform changing video editing. Tools that transcribe, translate, remove backgrounds, and generate effects. It can even create realistic deepfakes, remove backgrounds in seconds, add visual effects with a few clicks. Perfect for filmmakers, marketers, and video enthusiasts. GitHub Copilot coding just got a whole lot easier. Calling all developers, GitHub Copilot is about to become your new best friend. This AI-powered tool is like having a coding buddy who can help you write better code faster. GitHub Copilot can help you find the right code snippets, suggest different approaches, and even generate entire functions based on your comments. It's like having a senior developer looking over your shoulder, offering helpful suggestions and guidance. Copilot is trained on a massive data set of code, so it can help you identify potential errors, suggest best practices, and write more efficient and maintainable code. Hugging Face, your one-stop shop for AI models. Hugging Face is a platform that hosts thousands of open-source AI models, covering everything from natural language processing to computer vision to audio analysis. Think of it like a giant library of pre-trained AI models that you can use for your own projects. Developers from all over the world contribute their models and datasets to Hugging Face, making it a vibrant community for sharing knowledge and advancing the field of AI. TensorFlow, the engine powering the AI revolution. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning framework that's used by researchers, developers, and companies around the world to build and deploy AI models. Think of TensorFlow as the foundation upon which many AI applications are built. It provides the tools and libraries you need to build and train your own AI models, whether you're working on image recognition, natural language processing, or any other AI-powered application. Jasper AI Content Marketing on Autopilot. Attention all marketers and content creators. Jasper AI is here to make your life a whole lot easier. This AI-powered writing tool can help you generate high-quality content for your website, blog, social media, and more. Just give Jasper AI a few keywords and it'll generate a complete blog post for you, complete with an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Jasper AI doesn't just spit out generic content, it's trained on a massive data set of text and code so it can generate content that's original, engaging, and optimized for search engines. Surfer SEO, unlocking the secrets of search engine optimization. Surfer SEO takes the guesswork out of SEO, helping you optimize your content and rank higher. It analyzes your content, compares it to competitors, and suggests improvements. Surfer SEO suggests relevant keywords and provides competitor insights. It's a game changer for boosting SEO and organic traffic, like having a personal SEO consultant helping you dominate search rankings. Zoho Zia, your AI-powered business analyst. Zoho Zia is an AI-powered assistant that can help you make smarter business decisions. Integrated into Zoho's suite of business applications, Zia can analyze your data, generate reports, and even automate tasks. Zia can generate a report that breaks down your sales by product, region, and salesperson, giving you valuable insights into your business performance. Or let's say you need to send out a bunch of follow-up emails to potential clients. Zia can automate that process for you, saving you time and effort. Zoho Zia is like having a personal business analyst on your team, helping you make sense of your data, automate tasks, and focus on what matters most, growing your business. Khan Academy, personalized learning powered by AI. Khan Academy's AI-powered platform analyzes your learning style and progress, identifying your strengths and weaknesses. It then creates a personalized learning plan that's tailored to your individual needs, recommending courses, exercises, and videos that will help you learn most effectively. It's like having a personal tutor who's available to you 24/7, guiding you on your learning journey and helping you reach your full potential. Wolfram Alpha, the computational knowledge engine. This computational knowledge engine can answer your questions in fields like math, science, history, geography, and more. Wolfram Alpha doesn't just give you a list of websites like Google does. It actually computes the answer to your question based on its vast knowledge base of data and algorithms. Imagine you need to solve a complex math equation. Just type it into Wolfram Alpha and it'll not only give you the answer, or let's say you want to know the population of Tokyo in 1950. Wolfram Alpha can tell you that too. It's like having access to a super-powered calculator that can answer almost any equation you can think of. Research Rabbit, your AI-powered research assistant. This AI-powered platform helps you find relevant research papers, explore connections between different papers and authors, and even discover new research avenues. Research Rabbit can help you do that quickly and easily, saving you hours of tedious searching through databases. It can also help you visualize the connections between different papers and authors, giving you a deeper understanding of the research landscape. It's like having a personal research assistant who can help you find the information you need, make connections between different pieces of research, and even generate new research ideas. The future of AI is here, and it's awesome. So there you have it. Those are just a few of the incredible AI websites that are changing the game in 2024. From writing assistants to design tools to research platforms, these websites are making our lives easier, more creative, and more productive. The future of AI is bright, and it's going to be awesome. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights. Let me know in the comments which AI website you're most excited to try out. See you in the next one.